The OnePlus 16 is still a long way from launch, but the leaks already paint a very familiar picture, and not in a good way. After the lukewarm, often disappointing reaction to the OnePlus 15, it's obvious that OnePlus isn't confident enough to play it safe anymore. Instead of fixing fundamentals, the company seems to be chasing shock value. According to multiple leaks from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, OnePlus is testing the OnePlus 16 with a massive 200-megapixel camera sensor possibly shared with the upcoming Oppo Find N6. And let's be honest, this isn't innovation, it's recycling. OnePlus and Oppo have been swapping hardware for years, and this just looks like the same old shortcut at a much larger scale. The Oppo Find N5 and OnePlus 15 already shared identical camera sensors, and now OnePlus appears ready to go even harder down that copy-paste path. What really matters is how this 200-megapixel sensor is being used, and here's where the desperation shows. Leaks suggest it won't be the main camera, but a periscope telephoto lens. That alone says a lot. The OnePlus 15's 50-megapixel telephoto was decent, but it lagged well behind competitors. Instead of gradually improving optics and tuning, OnePlus seems ready to leap straight into megapixel warfare. Reports claim this telephoto sensor could be significantly larger, possibly around 1.x inch, compared to the frankly unimpressive 2.76-inch sensor on the OnePlus 15. Of course, megapixels don't magically fix camera weaknesses. Sensor size, lens quality, and image processing matter far more, areas where OnePlus has historically been inconsistent. A 200-megapixel telephoto might look impressive on a spec sheet, but without serious software improvements, it risks becoming another overhyped feature that underdelivers. The same excessive mindset shows up elsewhere. Another leak claims the OnePlus 16 is being tested with a 200 Hz display. The OnePlus 15's 165 Hz panel was already unnecessary for most users, offering bragging rights rather than real benefits. Jumping to 200 Hz feels like pure marketing noise, designed to win spec comparisons rather than improve daily use. For most people, it's pointless, flexing, wrapped as progress. Then there's the battery, which might be the most absurd rumor yet. A Weibo tipster, Old Chen Air, claims OnePlus is testing a 9,000 mAh Glacier battery. The OnePlus 15 already had a massive 7,300 mAh cell, and even that felt excessive. Pushing to 9,000 mAh drags the phone into rugged device territory, raising serious questions about weight, thickness, and comfort, things OnePlus used to care about. All of this is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, supposedly keeping this madness under control. The OnePlus 16 is expected around October 2026, so nothing is final. But if these leaks hold up, OnePlus isn't refining its flagship, it's overcompensating. Instead of smart evolution, this looks like a company trying to shout louder because it's unsure anyone is still listening,